A very warm morning to all of you. Hi, I am Siddharth. I am welcoming in today's news bulletin. One of the top headline trending today is the following: how drones are helping India fight the coronavirus pandemic. When India went under a nationwide lockdown in March to curb the spread of the coronavirus, civic authorities in the financial capital of Mumbai knew they had a daunting challenge on their hands. With a population of 20 million people, the city is densely packed and nowhere more so than in crowded Dharavi, one of the world's largest slums. With an estimated 1 million people residing there in cramped quarters, Dharavi had all the makings of a potential covid19 hotspot. Mumbai's police force, which was entrusted with ensuring that the slum's residents observed lockdown rules, enlisted the help of Sagar Defense Engineering, a Mumbai maker of drones or unmanned aerial vehicles. The company, which counts the state-owned oil and natural gas corporation as an investor, was commissioned to make two customized drones fitted with megaphones for the Mumbai police force. Rather than patrolling the narrow streets of Dharavi and risk getting infected, the cops deployed the drones to urge people to stay indoors. The drones were operated by a Sagar Defense employee stationed near a police outpost. The megaphones on the drones were connected to the cell phones of the police officers, who could simply dial in and make their announcements. Thanks for joining in this short news bulletin. We are always share the top and helpful bulletin with world citizens. Like and subscribe to our channel for further news updates. Thank you.